Hi guys, I'm Dikshit and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you see, I'm already in Fauzi now. Basically, I'm going to make this video only for alcohol lovers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how many varieties you can get here and how much price. And I want to tell you here, alcohol is more cheaper than water. So let me go first to the vodka section. See. These are companies of vodka. It's made of. It's 700 ml and its rate is 104 graven. It's extra smooth. Varieties of vodka in Madoff company. This one also. It's also classic premium vodka. It's also, let me see more. These are Arctica cold berry flavored. So many flavors are also there. See in this vodka, inside there is wheat. It's 500 ml, so its price is 71 graven only. Now let me go. It's a new brand, Hello. I don't know, Shabo. It's company Shabo. Here it is written. Shabo. These are flavored vodka. You can get cranberry, melon, lime and mint, grapefruit, white tea. So many flavors are also there. Melon, lime and mint. These all are vodka. Let me show you fast. See jar of vodka. Small. It's Ukrainian brand maybe. It's written in Russian or Ukrainian. Chote paue. Only 28 graven. Let me go other side. See this Lex vodka. It's 500 ml. Its quality is good, that's why it's 202 graven. Nemirov Premium Deluxe. These all are varieties of vodka, you can see. Chili flavor also there. Chili flavor vodka. Prime vodka special. See this. Fly Garnet. It's pomegranate flavor. How beautiful this bottle is. Grumark. Zubroshka. So cheap, 92 graven. Another variety of Zubroshka vodka. Smakova. I don't know in these uncles vodka is there or not. Yeah, maybe there. See, Yeah, here it is written that Gorilka. Yeah, maybe it is there. See, from here. I don't want to open it. Another company, another flavors. Hundreds of company here. Hundred of company, hundreds of variety. But vodka. Morsha, Morosha, Morosha. All are so cheap. ठंडी दारू. See. Now let me go ahead and now I'm gonna show you champagnes and the cognac section. Shabo company champagne 82 graven only. Varieties of champagne from Shabo company. I don't know the flavors, but yeah, it's written Rose Samidri, Rose sparkling wine, sparkling. Let me see, it's sparkled or not. No, its bottle is good, but it's not sparkling. These are awesome. Sarajishvili. These are bottles of Sarajishvili. And these bottles are 3-star. 109 graven. 3 stars are 119 graven. 5 stars are 142 graven, or maybe 135 graven. Shabo, 5-star cognac. Indians used to drink this only because it's like desi therra. Shabo flavored. I don't know it's that is flavored or not. Let me go ahead and show you the wine section now. Wines. Oh, it's maybe 1 liter and it's only of 64 graven. Fuck, seriously. Ah, these are wines. See, 333 graven. Flavored wine, Muscat, Rosé de Valence, Cabernet. These are only 64 graven, 36, 35, 38, 38, 38. So cheap, seriously so cheap. What is it? It's vodka, Riga black vodka. Oh, see. Awesome bottle, seriously. Riga black vodka. Coblevo. It's maybe champagne. Wine. Sorry, wine. It's also wine. Coblevo. Only 42 gravens. Coblevo 71 graven. Let me show you the flavored wine. Strawberry flavored. Takado. I don't know, it's Japanese or Chinese. Sliva. Pomegranate. Cobleo 48.49. So less price. Bukovina. So many varieties are there. See how big this section is really. Right of me, wines everywhere. Awesome build quality, seriously. Bolgrad. Oh, let me see. It fitted in my hand or not. Yeah, awesome. See. Shabo. It's maybe Japanese wine, Japanese or Chinese. Let me see. Inkerman, Cabernet, vodka. See, heaven. Again, champagne section. Seriously, heavens for you alcohol lovers, yaar. See how big that bottle is. Martini. Boom. Oh, see the price. 5,302 graven. How much liter it is? 6 liter. Now I'm in whiskey section. See the heaven. Hennessy 2530 graven. Marshall 2012 graven. Camus 424 graven. It's maybe 500 ml. Hennessy 820 graven, 640 graven. Marshall 752 graven. Let me go ahead. Metaka. How many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 star. Oh fuck. Seriously. How much it is? 568 graven. $1500 की दारू है भाई वो. इतनी बड़ी. Jack Daniels. Jack Daniel, it's 1048 graven. Yeah, Jack Daniel. 45% of alcohol. Gentleman Jack Daniels brand. 702 graven. Jack Daniel old number 7. 679 graven. Jack Daniel Fire. Genesee Fire. 514, 535, 710. Jameson Irish Whiskey 679 graven. Caskmates. See, guitar shaped Jack Daniels bottle. Old number 7, 1033 graven. Bushmills. Jim Beam Red Stag 426 graven. Jim Beam apple flavored 409 graven. Simple bourbon whiskey. Wild Turkey 101 bourbon whiskey 479 graven. Gangster whiskey. Green Fetish. American Honey Wild Turkey 375 graven. Famous Grouse. I don't know it is famous or not, but the Famous Grouse. How much it is? 526 graven. William Lawson's Super Spiced Vanilla and Spices. Vanilla flavored with spices. 263 graven. Black and white. This is awesome. Wet 69. Teachers 306 graven. Divars 12 साल पुरानी, 12 years old. Black label bro, 413. Johnny Walker 514 graven. 514 graven for 500 ml. Black label, double black is also there. 914 for 700 ml. Oh, gold label is also there. 1554 700 ml. I don't know is there blue label or not. Let me see. Red label 499 graven. Blenders batch blended Scotch whiskey, Johnny Walker 400 graven. Bells White Horse, Sea White Horse 288 graven. Oh, black and red label. Let me show you the prices. 3,985 graven, 3 liter, 40% of alcohol. It's red label. Its price is 2,086 graven for 3 liter. Yes. Oh, now Jameson Chivas Regal is also there. Jameson. Let me show you the prices. 3,267.86 kopecks. Chivas Regal, Ballantines. Chivas Regal is so 589 graven only. It's really cheap. 18-year-old Chivas Regal, 2,670 graven for 1 liter. Fuck. Singleton. It's also Chivas Regal. Oh, seriously? See the price, 9,416 graven for 700 ml only. It's Chivas Regal. I don't know. It's maybe, this is maybe mixed flavors. I didn't try this. Liquor coffee layered. 543 graven it. Malibu Vice City आ गई भाइयों. Malibu Club 274 graven. Beshrov का 214 graven only. It's of price and 500 ml. Beshrov का Havana Club. Bacardi's 379 graven. Captain Morgan. Captain Morgan is also there. Spiced gold. 188 Graven only, so cheap. Mount Gay. Maybe another flavor, Jamaica rum. Oh, it's from Jamaica. Bacardi. It's in offer, buy one get two. Wild turkey, 450 Graven. Reka. Bombay Sapphire. Yeah, you can find Bombay Sapphire also. 779 Graven, guys. For 1 liter. Yeah, it's normal then. It's 1 liter, then it is normal. Van Anchor, London Dry Gin, Marlet flavored. These are Absolute vodkas. I don't know Absolute vodkas are in flavors or not. It's vanilla flavored, vanilla flavor, raspberry. Let me show you the uncle's photo. Uncle's photo. Let me zoom in. Country of Sweden, Absolute. Pear flavored vodka. Yeah, pear flavored. Seriously? So many. Mango flavor. Absolute citron, mandarin, mango. It's looking awesome. Absolute currant, black currant flavored. Its volume is 40% of alcohol per 700 ml. Helsinki. These are also flavored. Cranberry, grapefruit, black currant, lime, red berry. Original Absolute vodka. Vodka of Finland. Vodka. Oh, really awesome bottle. See. $730 Graven. Seriously, vodkas are also that much price. Fuck. 730 Graven vodka. मेरे हिसाब से तो भाई सबसे महंगी वोडका यही है. Fuck. Smirnoff. Martini, Tosti, Lille, Martini Bitter, Finland. Easter off is there. See these rabbits. Hen also there. Let me show you. Rabbits. I don't know, it's white chocolate or something else. Yeah, maybe white chocolate. 169 Graven. See whiskey section. So let me take you to the beer section. Bud. Bud cans, 4 cans and of 60 or maybe 51 grain. Stella Artis 79 grain, 4 liter. 1 can maybe of 1 liter. Yeah. Stella Artis Belgium Premium Lager beer. 21 grain for 1 can. Null path. Yeah, 500 ml. It's Chernisky, 4.8% alcohol.
So if you better understood our...
Wait. This man came to help me. He will...
this is beer cocktail with mint and lime.
Okay.
This is Ukrainian dark beer and same mark we have.
Yeah,
in
it's
white
Ukraine.
beer. And white nut filter. It's like this. There you go. This is white beer, not filter.
Okay.
So then, and Ukrainian normal beer, like famous, it's like this. It's two not filter, and we have filter the same.
Wine Redler. Yeah.
Yes, it's like cocktail, like I show you.
Okay.
Before. So same black beer, with non-alcohol.
Okay, non-alcoholic. It's Chernisky non-alcoholic.
Yeah. This is dark beer, not filter. So, and same white beer.
Только 2 минуты он приду.
Yes, only two, because mostly beer, like you say, in Prague beer. It's Prague, USA.
USA Bud.
Yep, Belgium.
Yeah, Stella Artis.
And so again Ukraine, but in black beer.
Yeah, Chernisky.
Only this. It's simple white beer, filter beer.
Okay. So thank you, brother. So let me show you the prices. As he said, Garage. It's a Ukrainian brand. He said, I don't know. Hard drink, lemon and tea flavor. Tibor Carrot. Wine Redler. .0% alcohol. Staropramen. Yeah, Staropramen. See, these all are beers. Let me go ahead. Chernisky 54 grain and 4.8% of alcohol. And how much liter it is? Let me see. Maybe 2 liter it is. These are Cherniskys. It's also Ukrainian brand. Lviivsky 1715 Ukraine. It's also Ukrainian beer. Basically, Ukrainian beers are more cheaper than another brands or countries, we can say. Lviivsky 32 grain. And it's 1.5 liter. Dark shakes. Let me show you cocktails. Bora Bora. Non-stops are also there. Energy drinks only. These are, and then tequila sombrero. Tequila sombrero. Shakes, cocktails. Cactus juice. But it is written cactus juice. Let me show you more. Another section for beer only. These are Ukrainian brands. Rogan. It's only of 19 graven, 23 graven. Basically, Ukrainian brands are more cheaper than another country's brand. .5 liter and only of 27 graven. See, and this one is 2.5 liter and 41 graven. I'm gonna show you water prices also. See, 12 graven for 500 ml. Beer mix, lemon flavor, hard mix, citrus, simli, beer mix. It's non-alcoholic. I don't know why. Oh, sorry, I don't want to comment on beers. Otherwise, my friends will kill me. Beer mix, pomegranate flavor, lemon flavor, raspberry attack, crazy grapefruit, energy, cherry rain, fruit beer, colas. Oh. $39.43 graven only. Heineken. This beer is really awesome, seriously. Heineken, larger beer, premium quality. Corona. Swiki. These carrots are of 6 bottle. 1 carrot per 6 bottle. Let me show you. 23, 29 per bottle. That 3. Baltika, Indians' favorite brand, Baltika. See this complete carrot. Oh, Baltika. Side of this, it's Bud carrot. Bud, kings of beer. Let me go ahead and show you the water prices also. $8 graven. See, that's only 12 graven and it's 8 graven, but that's beer, guys, really. Let me show you more. 8 graven, 2 liter 8 graven. These are qualities of, means it's gas beer on, gas water or not. I don't know. Natural mineral water, sparkling. Yeah, it's simple water. It's gas, maybe lemon flavor, sparkling. There are also 2 types of water, soda water and simple water. 9 graven. See how small bottles, and 9 graven only. But it's 2 liter. Maybe these are not the price of that bottles. 8 graven. Left side of me there are energy drinks. Energo, Dragon, Pitbull energy drink. How much it is? Pitbull energy drink, 10.64 graven only. Red Bull, 31 graven. Red Bull, Yellow Bull, yellow edition. Yeah, it's really Red Bull but yellow colored. Burn energy drink. These all are energy drinks. Revo, it's an alcoholic drink, but it states, I don't know the taste, but maybe one shot, one hit. Maybe it's like only energy drink. Revo, types of Revo. Hair shakes are also there. Daiquiri, cocktail, Bora, tequila, sombrero, sex on the beach. I don't know why it's named Sex on the Beach. Longer cactus alco juice. It's an alco juice. $16 graven. So guys, this is the end of my video. Hope you enjoyed the alcohol trip with me. So if you enjoy my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.